Hey, Jason here, and today I have a Saint Laurent card holder that I'm going to unbox and show you. So here I have the nice little bag. What I found interesting is they actually tape this shut, so I guess I don't put anything else in there, or they know that this is what I had purchased, but they had taped it completely shut when they gave it to me. It's a nice sturdy bag too, so definitely we'll keep it and reuse it. So let's go ahead and carefully unpeel this so I don't mess up the bag. Okay, it kind of folds up and open like this. Folds open. So in here, I have a nice little receipt holder. So that's just my receipt. Don't need to see that. And here is the card holder. So it comes in a nice with a nice little dust bag. This is Saint Laurent in there. Let's go ahead and take it out. First thing I see is this, which I assume is some instructions for cleaning and care. Let's take a peek, open this up. So a nice little instruction book with details. It looks like it might have an RFID tag to guarantee its authenticity, which is interesting. This is, what is this? This is in French, this is in English. So just general care and how to clean the bag and take care of it. Sorry, the card holder. Nice little card, certificate of authenticity, and then the product number and information. Okay, I will put these away over here. Oh, and it looks like there's a little serial number there as well. Also for authenticity, I imagine. Let's put these guys back and put them away and get to the main event. So I looked at all the different types of card holders that they had. They had about 2 dozen or so different colors and choices. And I ultimately decided on this one. So it's a nice deep red with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 card slots on the outside, like so, and a zipper compartment. So let's go ahead, take out this little spacer. It's a nice grained leather feel. It feels nice and textured. It feels pretty good in the hand. We have Saint Laurent Paris on the front, as you can see right there. Nice silver on this deep red. Nice zipper compartment as well. I looked at a number of different card cases at Louis Vuitton and some other luxury stores, and I liked this one the best because it did have a zippered pocket without being too large. The Louis Vuitton ones, for example, either didn't have a zippered pocket or they had a zippered pocket, but they were significantly longer, maybe about 2 here or so. So this is nice and compact, which is exactly what I was looking for. Let's open it up. Inside, we have some more information here. So I have the nice price tag. So it was 385 Canadian dollars. And inside, I don't think you'll be able to see much because it's pretty much all black, but we have a nice big pocket in there. There's Saint Laurent on this side. You might be able to see that. It's kind of hard to see, even with the naked eye. And then on the other side, it looks like there's a serial number, which I would imagine matches what was in the other paperwork. So let's go ahead and put some things in. So first off, I have some cash. So So I'll pop that in the zipper compartment. Got some coupons, some McDonald's coffee, free coffee rewards. So I'll put all those inside and zip it up. Then we'll put a few cards in on the outside. So I expect that these should slide in nice and easy, and they definitely do. Let me hold it this way. Feels like I could probably fit 2 cards in each slot, but I don't think I will, just to ensure I'm not overloading it. Nice and easy, just like that. So I think this would be much more compact than my wallet, and good for taking around with me every single day. Now my girlfriend has a black version. Exact same thing, so exact same style, just in black versus red. And this black one is actually on sale for about 18% off, which is about just under $70 on Scentsy, S-S-E-N-E. And they also have a black crocodile and a dark red, so a much darker red than this, also all on sale for 18% off. So instead of being $385 Canadian, it's approximately 320 Canadian. So if you do want one of those colors, it is on sale through them. Otherwise, if you do want this red or another style, you might have to search somewhere else or pay full price. When I was looking at these, as I mentioned, I did see about 24 different styles, mostly grain leather, smooth leather, crocodile leather. They had a few different variations. So they had a black one with Saint Laurent and silver, as you see here, but also green, blue, and yellow. So it's a nice little color on there. There were some that had a gold zipper instead of the silver zipper. And then there were some in various colors like yellow, green, blue, orange, pink, etc. So there's definitely lots of different varieties, and I encourage you to check out the coin holder online or your local store to see the full set of options that are available to you. And that's the Saint Laurent card holder. It's definitely good for both men and women, and I'm looking forward to using it over the next few weeks, and I'll certainly come back and let you know what I think once I've used it for a little while. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them in the comment section below, and I will see you next time. Thank you.